You will love the features of this 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 120,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, touchscreen infotainment system, proximity key entry, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, four-wheel drive, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors, fog lamps. Take control of the journey in comfort and style. Get into the Grand Cherokee.